Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Speccy on your Windows operating system. Speccy allows you to view detailed statistics on every piece of hardware on your computer, including CPU, motherboard, RAM, graphics card, hard disk, optical disk, audio, and more. Alright, let's get started. Open up Microsoft Edge, double click, type Speccy download, click on it. Alright, do not click on anyone that says add. As you can see, it was developed by the same developer that came up with C Cleaner. Alright, let's click on it here. Alright, so we're gonna click OK here. There's a free and a professional version. Let's go with the free version for right now. Okay, it's downloading. Alright, it's done. We could run it from here. However, close this out, go to your file explorer, click on downloads and double click Speccy setup. Let's close this out. Click yes to grant permissions and click install and click run Speccy. Alright, let's just close. Alright, this is what Speccy looks like. As you can see, it gives you different information about PC. Alright, it created the desktop icon for us. If you want to have it handy in your taskbar, just right click here and click pin to taskbar. Okay, leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.